Channel, welcome back to a brand new video. We're going late night bowling tonight. I have Cody here, Damon and Maurice. All three of their Snapchats will be in the description down below. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like the video, and we are gonna get right into it.
And my YouTube.
And Damon's YouTube. Well, you could go in the channels and shit and do his YouTube, but it'll be in the description too. Let's go! Woo! Y'all suck. Okay.
I wish you would actually try to shoot.
Who?
You! You're like bowling, you just swing.
Word!
Oh,
Every video. Every video.
I don't play pool like this. Cody's got it. Catch it.
Ooh, if you wouldn't have caught that, I'd have laughed.
You're a very good.
I'm throwing 10 kids, not 5.
Maurice! Damon went first game, me, Cody, and then Maurice. Wah, wah, wah. Go, Cody! The lights have come on! Warm that shoulder up. Hut.
Hit that ball to the pin to the left.
Actually, I think it's dead middle.
That ball was dead center. It's not going to touch it.
Good pickup. And the second game goes to Fluffy! We go to Fluffy! We teaching Maurice how to bowl currently. Guys, put in the comments how good Maurice is. 1 out of 10. That was a 0. Hey.
Everything.
The progress with Maurice is coming along very, very good. Tune in next week. I'm joking. I'm kidding. Maurice, you're doing very good in my books, okay? The vlog, me and the vlog love you, brother. Guys, hit a thumbs up for Maurice. He's lonely. He's lonely.
See that shot?
I got it on video. Now let's see what you're gonna do with your spare.
I called that.
Emotional damage.
I'm a big fan. Can I go harder?
like that. See if he can pick up a spare.
What's your ball?
Look at this ugly mofo right here. There you go.
Yeah. Oh my God! Don't you dare! Here the ball. That's not how you do it. I swear to God. Oh my God!
Exactly! That's cookies. Oh, your mouth's gonna laugh to cookies.
He got it. He got it.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, turkey.
Go.
See, he doesn't try to curve it that way. Actual score.
Yes! Oh yeah, he got a big red. Oh, he pulled the sleeves up. He pulled the sleeves up. Fatality. He pulled the sleeves up. It's time to second base.
I was rushing shot after shot. 7 pin, 8 pin, 10 pin.
Oh my God. Word. Go. Hey, I got no video. All right, go. Came back on. Damon's about to bowl. Oh, you missed one. Quick transition. I'm at the skate park. I'm sweating my ass off and I'm about out of breath. We're doing some parkour and parkour fun. Parkour fun. Man, parkour. Down and back up. Back up over here.
Over there?
Yeah.
Run?
Down, yeah. American Ninja Warrior. Oh, the light went off. Ta-da!
Want to go to court now?
Hi.
Hi.
Maurice.
Yeah.
Hi. And I'm sitting on a ledge.
Hi, Mark. Now walk across that.
And today on American Ninja Warrior, Damyn's gonna attempt the big ass warp wall behind me. It's the tallest one at the skate park.
Here.
You ready?
I need someone with a flashlight over so I can see what I'm stepping.
Let's get ready. Good.
Ready?
Go.
Go.
Oh.
Heck yeah. You got it. Let's go. Hey guys, I forgot to end the video yesterday, but we had a fun time. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. As always, do what you love. Check out the merch and check out everybody's Snapchats and links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.